If you love going on trips but absolutely dread the packing part like I do, then this duffel bag from Felipe Varela is exactly what you need. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and I have to tell you how much easier this bag has made traveling for me. I used to hate packing because my bags would always feel disorganized and I could never find anything easily. But ever since I started using this bag, it's made the whole process so much less stressful for me. One of the biggest things that stood out to me is how spacious and practical it is without feeling bulky. It has multiple compartments that help me keep everything organized, including a separate shoe compartment, which I personally love because it keeps my clothes separate from my shoes. It also comes with an adjustable shoulder strap, sturdy handles, and the waterproof material makes it feel really durable and reliable for trips. I love that I can fit so much inside while still keeping everything neat and easy to access. For me, what really made me love this bag is how it took something I used to dread and made it feel so much more easier and way more organized. And that's just my point of view.